Okay. Um, Now to kind of just finally round this all up, we've been graphing uh, these linear equations and they've been at various angles, but sometimes they can just be vertical lines or horizontal lines. So what does the graph of a vertical or a horizontal line look like? So that's just what I've got here. So a vertical line, so this will be a line that goes up and down, is the graph of an equation of the form x equals a. So a is just going to be some number. So that the line is going to pass through the x-axis, which is going to be the x-intercept, at the point a0, where a is a constant. A horizontal line is the graph of an equation of the form y equals b. So that'll be a line that passes through the y-axis at 0b. Okay, that's the y-intercept, where b is a constant. So let's look here at an example. So we're going to graph two lines, x equals 2 and y equals 3. And I'm going to do this in such a way to kind of prove to you why this is going to end up being a vertical and a horizontal line. So let's say we want to graph x equals 2. All right. And we set up an xy table. And so we pick a value of x. Well, the value of x we have to pick is 2. And so what's going to be the value of y? It'll be anything we want. Then we pick 2 again. What's y? It's anything we want. We pick another value of 2. And the value of y is going to be anything we want. And so we could just keep going with choosing 2 for x and just getting any value of y. And so like we've got the point 2, 5. So that's going to be here, 2, 5. And then we've got the point 2, 0, which is going to be 2, 0 right there. That's our x-intercept. And then we have the point 2, negative 1. So we've got 2, negative 1, which is right there. It's a less inspired point, but it still works. So what do you notice is happening when x is equal to 2? We get a vertical line. Okay, that is x equals 2. X equals a, some constant. So for us, a is equal to 2. Okay. Now for this other one, y equals negative 3. Well, let's pick a bunch of x's. Okay, now we have some freedom to pick some x's. So, maybe this time we pick negative 5, 0, and maybe positive 5. Let's do that. Well, when x is negative 5, what's y? Negative 3. When we pick 0 for x, what's y? Negative 3. When we pick positive 5 for x, what do we get for y? Negative 3. So now we can plot each of these points. So negative 5, negative 3. So negative 5 on the x, negative 3 on the y. If we pick 0 for x, we get negative 3 for the y. That, by the way, is our y-intercept. And 5 on the x, negative 3 on the y is right there. So you can see we're very clearly getting a horizontal line. And the equation for a horizontal line is going to be y equals negative 3 So you can see that this is following the form y equals b, where our value of b is -3. Okay, so in short, that's how you graph vertical and horizontal lines.